So the winds today, 20 to 30 mile an hour gusts. We have a tropical depression off the coast of Florida, which is causing this. And the wind is pumping out of the southeast. So right now we're just going north. Let's see if we can get a reading on a 4 miles an hour, 5 miles an hour. Woo! Whoa! That was move back on the board a little bit more. So the plan today is we're going to ride the wind. We're going to pop into the Blue Trail, go all the way up to Dania Beach Boulevard, and then I'm going to fight the wind a little bit to get onto the eastern side and come back down. Hopefully. Can't really see how the eastern side looks. The wind looks everywhere. So if I can at least get into the trail here when I come back, I can hide in the trails. We'll just have to see what this bowl looks like up here. Hopefully I can, I'm going to get killed coming across the top, but I just got to get to the side. And coming back through this bridge is going to be interesting. That'll take all you got. But days like this are doable if you have the experience and you have a plan. Be tough coming back through here. I'm gonna have to hug that wall. Alright, so this bowl looks a little bit less choppy. See, I can come through here. That's a good sign. All right. All right, so it's a little calmer in here. So that's a good sign. So when I come back, I'll just get nailed around here a little bit. So yeah, we'll pick it back up maybe on the way back. Show some of the more difficult spots. Then I'm just going to ride the wind up to the entrance of the Blue Trail and I'm going to go in. So.